How to fix Discord screen share audio not working on Windows. Fix 1. Check Discord server status. Fix 2. Restart. Your computer. Fix 3. Reset Discord. Voice settings. Path. Settings voice and video. Fix 4. Use Discord legacy audio subsystem. Path. Settings audio and video enable legacy for audio subsystem. Fix 5. Add the program, like Google Chrome, to Discord. Path. Settings game status the added link browse the app you'd like to add into Discord. Fix 6. Update your audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 7. Clear Discord roaming data at % of data %. Fix 8. Update. Discord. Fix 9. Disable your antivirus temporarily. Fix 10. Reinstall.